Lawyers for hip-hop mogul scene, Diddy Combs are appealing his conviction and prison sentence, with a federal appeals hearing scheduled for 9 April 2026, when his legal team will argue for his release. Combs was convicted in July 2025 by a federal jury in New York City on 2 counts of transporting people across state lines to engage in prostitution, a violation of the Federal Money Act. The jury, however, acquitted him of more serious and racketeering charges, which could have resulted in decades behind bars. At his sentencing in October 2025, U.S. District Judge ordered Combs to serve 4 years and 2 months in prison and imposed a $500,000 fine. He is currently incarcerated at a federal prison in Fort Dix, New Jersey, and is scheduled for release in May 2028, factoring in time served and good behavior credits. In recent filings, Combs' attorneys argued that the conviction should be overturned because it involved lesser prostitution offenses that did not include coercion, a key element the jury did not find. They also claim the judge improperly relied on evidence related to charges for which Combs was acquitted, and argue that defendants in similar cases typically receive far shorter sentences. The defense has sought a sentence reduction close to time served, contending the judge acted as a 13th juror. Beyond the legal stakes, the case carries massive financial implications. Combs built one of hip-hop's largest business empires, spanning music, fashion, alcohol brands, media ventures, and investments, with his net worth long estimated in the hundreds of millions of dollars. His conviction has already triggered the loss of major partnerships, frozen business deals, and reputational damage that could reshape his financial legacy. Despite the appeal, Combs will remain in prison while the court reviews the case, and there is no guarantee that his conviction or sentence will be overturned.